This video brought to you by Group 1, Tropang Potchi, and is presented by Vivian Ann Orion.
Usability goals are the cornerstone of user-centered design. They ensure products are efficient, user-friendly, and tailored to audience needs. For instance, an online banking platform might aim for users to complete a bank transfer in under 2 minutes without assistance, enhancing efficiency and user satisfaction. Usability goals can be categorized into 6 areas: product information, users, success, competitors, research, and timing and scope. For an e-commerce site, focus on millennials shopping on mobile, aim for increased conversion rates, benchmark against Amazon, and optimize before peak shopping seasons. Collaborating with stakeholders is crucial to refining goals and prioritizing objectives. For a restaurant app, marketing ensures customer engagement features, while kitchen staff inputs help integrate real-time inventory updates, creating a balanced, user-friendly product. Keep goals actionable and measurable. Replace vague goals with specific ones, like ensuring users can add an item to their cart in under 30 seconds, making objectives clear and achievable. Checklists ensure no critical usability aspect is overlooked. For a website, verify if the navigation menu is easy to find, the page loads in under 2 seconds, and there is a clear call to action. Defining usability goals ensures products are efficient and user-centric. By categorizing objectives, collaborating with stakeholders, and simplifying goals, you pave the way for success.
Hey there, product managers. Ever wondered how you can take your app or website from good to absolutely fantastic? It's all about user testing. User testing is when real users get their hands on your product and try to navigate it like they normally would. It's a crucial step to ensure your app or website is user-friendly and ready for the big launch. So why is user testing so important? First, it helps you identify usability issues. You can spot the exact points where users get stuck or frustrated. This is pure gold because it lets you fix those pain points before they become deal breakers. Next, it enhances user satisfaction. A smooth, intuitive experience means happy users who are more likely to come back. And let's be honest, who doesn't want returning users? User testing also highlights errors and gaps. You'll uncover missing features or glitches that you might have missed during internal testing. These insights are essential for polishing your product, but that's not all. User testing can skyrocket your conversion rates. By refining your app or website based on real user feedback, you can boost user retention and turn curious visitors into loyal customers. And speaking of feedback, this is your chance to gather real, unfiltered input from actual users. Their insights can guide your design and functionality decisions, making your product even better. So if you want to unlock the full potential of your app or website, don't skip user testing. It's the secret sauce for creating a product that not only meets, but exceeds user expectations. Welcome back to another quick dive into the world of user testing. Today I'm breaking down 4 essential types of user testing: verbal response, multiple choice, rating scale, and written response. Ready? Let's get started. First up, verbal response. This is where you ask participants to speak their thoughts around a scenario you've defined. For example, you might ask, describe and demonstrate what, if anything, was most frustrating about this site. This gives you raw, unfiltered insights straight from the user's mouth. Next, we've got multiple choice questions. These are your classic survey-style queries, simple and effective. For example, you might ask, do you trust this company? With options like yes, no, easy for participants to answer and quick for you to analyze. Moving on to rating scale questions. These are closed-ended questions where each answer carries a specific value. Imagine asking, how likely are you to return to this site again? With a scale like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, not at all likely. Very likely this helps you quantify user sentiment. Finally, we have written response. Here, you ask participants to write a brief description of what they just experienced. For instance, what do you think is missing from this page, if anything? This type of question uncovers detailed feedback that might not surface in other formats. So, there you have it. 4 powerful types of user testing: verbal response, multiple choice, rating scale, and written response. Each offers unique insights to help you create better user experiences. Don't forget to mix and match these methods to get the most comprehensive feedback. Thanks for...
Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered why some apps or websites feel easy to use, while others leave you frustrated? Well, That's where usability metrics come into play. So today, we'll explore what usability metrics are, why they are important, and the key metrics used to evaluate the usability of a product or a system. So, usability metrics are measurable data points used to evaluate how effectively, efficiently, and satisfactorily users can interact with a product, such as website, app, or software. These metrics help designers and developers understand what works well and what needs improvement. Usability metrics typically focuses on three core principles: effectiveness, efficiency, and satisfaction. First, we have effectiveness. So effectiveness measures how well users can achieve their goals when using a product. In simple terms, it's about whether users can successfully complete their task without errors. For example, if someone wants to log into an app, effectiveness is about ensuring they can do so without running into problems. Next is efficiency. So efficiency focuses on how quickly and easily users can complete their task. It's all about saving time and effort. Imagine using a navigation app. Efficiency means finding your destination with just a few taps rather than spending minutes figuring it out. Finally, we have satisfaction. Satisfaction is about the user's overall experience, how enjoyable, seamless, and pleasant it feels to use the product. It is a great design leaves users happy and more likely to come back. These three principles, effectiveness, efficiency, and satisfactions, are working together to ensure product is not only functional but also user-friendly and enjoyable to use. Now, let's break down some of the most commonly used usability metrics. First is the task success rate. It measures how many users can successfully complete a specific task. The higher the success rate, the better the system's usability. Next is the error rate. It calculates the number of mistakes users make while performing a task. A lower error rate indicates a clearer and more user-friendly design. And lastly is the time on task. Time on task measures how long it takes for users to complete a specific task. Shorter completion times reflects greater efficiency and smoother user experience. These metrics provide valuable insights into how well a system works, helping improve its overall usability and effectiveness. These metrics can be collected through various methods, such as usability testing and surveys. So, by measuring and improving usability metrics, companies can create products that are not only functional but also enjoyable to use. This leads to higher user satisfaction, increased loyalty, and better overall success for the product. So to sum it up, usability metrics are the foundation for creating user-centered designs. By tracking key metrics like task success, error rates, and satisfaction scores, you can ensure your product meets user needs and standouts in the competitive markets. So thank you for watching this video on usability metrics. If you find it helpful, don't forget to share and apply this principle in your projects.
Hey product managers, today I'm diving into why Jakob Nielsen's metrics are crucial for your product success. If you're not familiar with Jakob Nielsen, he's the co-founder of the Nielsen Norman Group and a renowned usability expert. His famous quote goes, "It's easy to specify what's wrong, harder to specify what's right." Let's unpack why his wisdom matters for you. First, let's talk about tracking progress between releases. Nielsen's metrics provide a clear, quantifiable way to measure improvements or identify setbacks. By consistently tracking usability metrics, you can see which changes resonate with users and which don't, making each release more impactful. Next up, assessing your competitive position. Nielsen's metrics allow you to benchmark your product against competitors. Understanding where you stand in the market isn't just about knowing your weaknesses, it's about leveraging your strengths. With these insights, you can make informed decisions to position your product more effectively. Finally, the all-important stop-go decision before launch. Imagine this, you're gearing up for launch day but uncertain if your product is truly ready. Nielsen's metrics give you a set of criteria to evaluate whether you should proceed or pivot. It's not just about gut feeling, it's about having data-driven confidence. So there you have it, folks. Jakob Nielsen's metrics aren't just numbers, they're powerful tools that guide your product to success. Whether you're tracking progress, assessing your competitive edge, or making critical launch decisions, these metrics keep you on the right path. Remember, what's right can be harder to specify, but with Nielsen's insights, you're one step closer to getting it right every time.
Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to discuss the crucial role of planning in usability research. The planning phase is often considered the foundation of usability research. When executed correctly, with diligence and attention to detail, it yields accurate and valuable data. This phase sets the stage for the entire project, influencing the quality of your findings. On the other hand, glossing over or ignoring the planning phase can have serious repercussions. Inaccurate or irrelevant data can undermine the credibility of your research, rendering your findings useless. This can be costly both financially and in terms of time. Effective planning involves several critical steps. First, define clear objectives and research questions. Identify your target audience and determine the most suitable research methods. Consider ethical implications and ensure participant consent. Lastly, establish a realistic timeline and budget. To guarantee successful planning, allocate sufficient time and resources. Collaborate with stakeholders to ensure everyone's needs are met. Stay flexible as plans may evolve. Document every step to maintain transparency and accountability. In conclusion, thorough planning is essential to usability research. By dedicating time and effort up front, you'll reap rewards in the form of reliable data and actionable insights. Remember, a well-planned approach ensures the integrity and value of your research. Thank you.
好想和你醉倒，在没有别的烦恼，在茫茫人海语调，让黑白彩色对调。我好想停止思考，你温柔将我围绕，我应该怎么才能停止寻找？也该说微风是温柔的滋味。Yeah